Hi, just decided to share with you results of my homemade highlights made with this product, Schwarzkopf. It goes with the product itself. It's powder and activator liquid, as well as brush and hook, and the cap which you wear, and then you take your hair one by one with this hook, or you can do it manually. There are two ways that you can actually apply. This is the two ways that you can use. You can use it without a cap or with a cap and with a hook. This is result of the hook and the cap. And as you can see, the color is lighter where there's my natural color, and it's a bit more orange when it's where it's covered with the color casting cream gloss. No, not casting. Yeah, casting from L'Oreal. So one color actually affects the other. So if you have natural hair, it's going to be looking like that somewhere. And also, I would recommend you to probably, if you have long hair, to use two packs if you are planning on covering the whole head. Because I covered and I colored this part, the upper part, because it's the first time that I'm using this brand. I wasn't sure how it will affect my hair, so not to risk too much, I decided to just color this part. However, well, and as you can see, on the back of my hair, it's still covered with casting from L'Oreal. It's not bad as well, and I have my video. In my videos, you will be able to find my review on two different shades. It's not bad. It's actually quite nice, and the quality of my hair after casting is quite nice as well. And obviously, after this one, since it's lightening, you will need to take a bit more care for your hair. But so far, my hair is still on my head, so it's nice. Well, the color needs to slightly be corrected, and I will be correcting it with my coloring mask. And yeah, there is a difference, as you can see. There we see the lighter color near the roots where my natural hair is, and there well, the orange color is the combination of two basically. And yes, take care and of your hair, and if you like it, well, I'll just consider the fact that two colors, if you have some color on your hair already, you will need to sort of be prepared for an unusual and unexpected result. As in my case, it's a bit orange, but well, I will cover it with the color mask, as I said. It's not bad. Well, the overall result, I was afraid of the fact that it's going to be a bit more even uneven. Now I can see that, well, you can see those lines, and overall it blends well, but well, the overall color, which I don't quite like, it's yellow on the one hand, but on the other hand, it's orange, it's not yellow. We'll see. So it's more or less nice. So the procedure is it's a bit time consuming when you're doing it for the first time, especially with the cap, because with the cap you need to take it out, then brush it carefully to avoid knots. And but I'm sure that when you did it like a few times, it's going to be less time consuming and more and quicker and more rapidly. So I'm just trying to show you from the different angles how it looks in my case. If you have natural color, I guess keeping it on your hair for half an hour will be sufficient, but you should take care. You should monitor the whole process basically. And please be aware that I'm sure that you know that when hair is wet and covered with the cream, the color looks different. So when you wash it out, it's going to be different, darker. So pay attention to that. Pay attention to the color that you have on your hair when the product is on, and I would say deduct two tones, and you will approximately guess the overall result. We'll see how the mask will work, but well, so far I'm glad that my hair, well, now you can see a bit in more detail. It's not very flattering, but you can see how it is looking in a natural environment. So this this type of wearing, this style I don't like because it's really yellow. This is why I do it like that. So, girls and guys, if you want to try that, please do, and share your thoughts. If you already did, please share your thoughts on that. Maybe you've noticed something that I haven't. Please feel free to. Oh, and by the way, it has conditioner, violet conditioner, which is supposed to take the yellow, anti-yellow, to be anti-yellow conditioner. I used it as well, and this is the result. Not bad. For the color which you buy in the supermarket, it's not bad. So if you have any experience with that, or if you have any questions, please do comment, like, subscribe, not to miss my future experiments. I guess there will be many because I need to slightly correct this one.